Looking for the best miter saw for your workshop or job site? Today we're ranking the top 5 saws from weakest to absolute best, so let's get right into it. Starting off our list at number 5 is a compact budget option that might surprise you. This is the Hoteche Miter Saw. It's not the most famous brand out there, but it packs just enough punch for occasional light-duty tasks. For homeowners or casual users, this could be a tempting deal based on price alone. The saw is extremely lightweight, only 16 pounds, which makes it easy to move around and store. It features a decent 11.5 amp motor and spins at 5,000 RPM, so it's got enough speed for clean cuts through soft woods and trims. It comes ready to use out of the box with a blade and accessories like a clamp and dust bag included, which is always a nice touch at this price. That said, it's definitely not for heavy-duty projects. The cutting capacity isn't clearly specified, which already raises some eyebrows, and it lacks features like sliding rails or dual bevels. If you're working on larger boards or need precision for professional jobs, you'll feel limited pretty quickly. Still, for DIYers, beginners, or those needing a simple saw for light cutting jobs, this one keeps it basic, budget-friendly, and very portable. And by the way, if you're curious about the best prices on all these saws, check out the links down in the description. At number 4, we've got the Evolution Sliding Miter Saw. Now, this one's a bit of a wild card. It doesn't have the raw power of some others on the list, but it makes up for it with versatility and portability that's hard to beat. The standout here is its ability to cut through multiple materials, not just wood, but also steel, aluminum, and plastic. That's a huge plus for anyone doing mixed material projects. It's got a sliding function that lets you cut wider boards up to 8 inches, and the laser guide adds a nice touch for accuracy. But it's also where you start noticing compromises. The motor is only 10 amps, so it's not built for sustained heavy-duty use. It's also single bevel, which limits your angle flexibility. And while the included dust bag is okay, it won't handle mess the way a shop vac setup will. If you need a lightweight all-purpose saw for home improvement and craft work, this is a super flexible pick. Plus, it's a great step up from the previous model. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews. Coming in at number 3 is the Metabo Miter Saw, a model that's built for value, efficiency, and everyday reliability. It's a very popular choice among entry-level carpenters and DIYers who want pro-level power without breaking the bank. You get a solid 15-amp motor spinning up to 5,000 RPM, which is impressive in this price range. The miter range is broad up to 52 degrees in either direction, giving you plenty of flexibility for angled cuts. It's also surprisingly light for a 10-inch saw, which makes it great for job sites. But it's not perfect. This saw only bevels to the left, so you'll need to flip your workpiece for right angle bevel cuts. The included blade isn't the highest quality either, so you'll likely want to upgrade if you need really clean finishes. And like most budget saws, dust collection could be better. This one's for those who need real power in a compact, affordable package. It's a great middle ground tool, capable, portable, and efficient for small to mid-sized projects. At number 2, we've got a classic workhorse, the DeWalt Compound Miter Saw. This one's a favorite in job site toolkits across the country, and for good reason. It brings the power, accuracy, and durability DeWalt is known for. You've got a full 12-inch blade driven by a 15-amp motor, and it's built to handle serious workloads. The miter and bevel ranges are wide and flexible, and the precision out of the box is impressive. With 14 positive miter stops and a shadow line guide, this thing cuts clean and cuts true. Now, it's not a sliding saw, so it won't give you the crosscut capacity of a sliding model like the Makita, and the bevel stop setup is a bit minimal. No positive stops there, but these are minor quirks for an otherwise stellar mid-range saw. This is the sweet spot for most users. Powerful enough for pros, but simple enough for dedicated DIYers. If you want performance and reliability without going all out, this is a top pick. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Makita sliding dual bevel saw. This saw is everything you want if you're working on high-end trim, cabinetry, or large-scale framing. It's designed with professionals in mind, and it shows. You get a soft start 15 amp motor that delivers steady power paired with a smooth slide mechanism that doesn't take up much space behind the saw. The dual bevel feature is a game changer for making complex compound cuts without flipping your board. And that 15-inch cross-cut capacity, that's huge. The only downside? This thing is a beast. It weighs over 60 pounds. It's not something you'll want to lug around every day, and the price tag definitely reflects its premium features. Also, while the dust collection is solid, it still won't grab every spec. But if you're serious about your craft and need one saw that can do it all, this is hands down the one to beat. Whether you're building kitchens or cutting crown, the Makita brings pro-level performance you can count on. Every saw we covered today has its place, from compact beginners to pro-level workhorses. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices on the top picks. And if you found this helpful, hit like, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next review.